Hello babes, I am here wearing my newest design, the solstice pullover, and this is a little tutorial to show you how to do this lace stitch. If like me, you are somebody who does not appreciate long lace patterns with like 6-10 row repeats that you can't remember, I like a pattern that I can watch TV while I'm doing it. So this is just a 2-row repeat. If you can remember that, you're golden. You'll find this a really relaxing project. It's great if you want to challenge yourself, if you're newer to lace and you want to maybe learn a new technique and try something different, or if you do just want like a nice straightforward switch your brain off summer pattern. So without further ado, I'm going to give you a little bit of a close-up of the stitch and then go straight to the tutorial. So here's that stitch repeat. Essentially it's yarn overs to create the lace and then working a little rib in between to get some texture. So super simple. It works really nicely if you have any tape yarns. This is a lovely kind of cotton tape that really sort of holds the shape of the stitch, so you can really see all of the lace there. And it would work really nicely in cotton, any sort of DK yarn that you have lying around, but I wouldn't do it in something super fluffy or hairy because you're going to miss the details of the stitch there. So we have our DK yarn and our standard 4mm needles, or whatever size you need to get the right tension for the stitch. And I have already knitted 4 rows to get the little garter stitch trim here that you'll have at the hem and the cuffs. And let's start that first repeat. So you're just going to knit one. Oh, let me get my yarn untangled. You're going to knit one, purl one, knit one. And that's just a standard rib, right? And then the part that might trip you up is doing a yarn over. So normally a yarn over would just be like that, right? But with this one, we need it to go, we need it to go all the way around the needle and come back to the front, because then we're going to purl 2 together. So you got to sort of do the whole way around for the yarn over, and then we knit one and purl one, and that's our first repeat on this right side row. And then we'll just go into the next one. I'll show you that again. So knit one, purl one, knit one, and then we're going to do that yarn over again all the way around the needle and then back to the front for that purl 2 together. You'll find if you try and do a normal yarn over, it just you bring yourself back round to the front anyway. And then knit one, purl one, and then we start our last repeat. Knit one, purl one, knit one. You're into the swing of this by now. And then purl 2 together with that yarn over, and then knit one, purl one. And then I'm just going to have those 2 as knits on the end as little border stitches. Okay, so you can see here we've got our yarn overs going into the purl 2 together, so those are going to create the holes of the lace. Let's do that right side row repeat. Once I get my needles untangled. Okay, so just for those first 2 stitches it's knit, but just ignore that for now. So the wrong side row we start with 2 knits in the repeat, And then we do another yarn over and purl 2 together. And we knit 2, purl 1, and that's your first repeat. So you can see already the lace is coming in. And then we start the next repeat with the knit 2, yarn over all the way around, purl those 2 together, and then knit 2, purl 1. Easy, right? We're nearly there. So next one, knit 2, and then we just do that last yarn over, purl 2 together. Oh, knit 2, purl 1. Easy. And that is your lace stitch. So keep working that and you will get a lovely lace stitch just like this. Hope you enjoy this pattern. Have fun with your knitting. Bye.